what's the difference? So you said Switzerland is more for the biometric. Is that because it's a higher class of development in the technology?
I mean, if you go, for example, let's say you are dependent on grants, right, from governments. So you can go for EU grants in, for example, Sweden, and set up a structure through Switzerland, or through even the Netherlands, through a holding structure, or even through Jersey or BVI, or depends how you structure the company, right? But there is a lot of good innovation, new innovation born in countries like Switzerland and Sweden and Israel and those kinds of countries. And I believe that especially Switzerland, where I feel really comfortable also with the laws, would be very interesting. And I have also some experience with that country, and I feel that there is a really good ethics and morals there. And I think really serious innovation should be done there. And as you know, as you know, German innovation, like let's take Siemens, for example, or companies like that, are very serious players, and they, yeah, they are also in Germany and Switzerland and all those places. Other players which are really interesting is Japan and Korea, South Korea and Japan. And if you talk about metaverse, I think Japan is super advanced in the development of a working metaverse. Depends on what you see as metaverse. As I mean, I remember I was involved in my first metaverse was in 2001, right? So, and now suddenly metaverse is super popular, right? But I haven't seen really many metaverses, maybe less than 1%, who really have a utility, right? So, and in Japan I've seen a few which really have a utility, and it's not only about gaming, right? So that is really interesting for me personally, and I think the the metaverse industry in Japan and in South Korea is really good. If you talk about NFTs, then you could look at where are the most NFTs held. Then we're talking about Brazil and Thailand and this kind of countries. Much more NFTs percentage-wise than, for example, in Europe, right? So it depends where you want to go, right? And depends what market you're in and which segment. But yeah, if you ask me really specific, this and this company with this and this product, then I could tell you, okay, that is the right one, right? But if you ask me in general, what is my personal preference, then it's Southeast Asia.